Ever wondered how DNA strands join together? Well, meet DNA ligase, a unique enzyme that plays a vital role in this process. It does this by catalyzing the formation of what's known as a phosphodiester bond. In essence, DNA ligase is the glue that holds our DNA together. So what exactly does DNA ligase do? Well, think of it as a molecular glue. It has a crucial job of joining the 3' hydroxyl group of one nucleotide with the 5' phosphate end of another. This involves the formation of a phosphodiester bond, a process that requires the energy currency of the cell, ATP. Like a master craftsman, DNA ligase ensures that the strands of our DNA are connected in just the right way. Without DNA ligase, our DNA wouldn't be able to join together in the precise way that it does. Now you may be asking, why is DNA ligase important? Well, without DNA ligase, the vital processes of DNA replication and repair would come to a screeching halt. Imagine trying to build a house without nails or glue. It just wouldn't work, would it? The same applies to our bodies. Without the binding power of DNA ligase, our genetic blueprints would be left incomplete, leading to an array of health issues. So, DNA ligase is not just a simple enzyme, but a key player in our existence. To sum things up, DNA ligase is a remarkable enzyme, stitching DNA strands together, essential for DNA replication and repair. It's a vital cog in the wheel of life, so next time you're thinking about DNA, remember the crucial role that DNA ligase plays in keeping our genetic material intact.